we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Apple's iPad Pro is only an iPad OS update away from replacing a laptop. Over the past decade, smartphones may have become the primary computing devices for most users, but they haven't replaced the need for laptop or desktop computers, at least, for certain critical purposes, such as content creation.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think, without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent. Be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.